Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss some other important question in the responsibility of business. The question one of your friend Rajan run a factory in the city. His factory is causing air, water and noise pollution. What advice you give him regarding the keeping the environmental free from pollution? The answer is since business has contributed the maximum to the pollutions of environment, therefore it becomes the responsibility of business to help solving this problem. Even otherwise, also it is the social responsibility of business to protect environment from being polluted. Scientific methods should be employed to check the poisonous gas and smoking being mixed with the air. Dirty should not be thrown into the water to check water pollution, and the dirty water should be released into a river only after treating it scientifically. Noise checking instruments should be installed in the factory so that noise pollution is checked effectively. Next, environmental protections means keeping the environment free from the air pollution, water pollutions, and noise pollution. Every creature living on the earth need clean environment. Therefore, environmental protection is very important. In the context of this statement, throw the light on the danger of environment pollution likely to be caused by the business. The important question is to as to why environment protection is being linked with business. It appeared to be absolutely reasonable to link environment protection with the business because business has fairly contributed to polluted environment. From the point of view of environment pollution, there are three type of business unit doing the damage. Some spread excessive smoke, other polluted water, and some spread noise pollution. Moreover, there are the some business unit which spread pollution more than the one type simultaneously. Therefore, there is no hesitation in saying that environmental face a threat from business. Next, if a business fulfill the social responsibility today, its own interest gets protected in the long run. How? The social responsibility of business if take care in the present ensure the success of organization in future. It is possible that in the beginning of organizations may have been to bear the financial burden resulting from its social responsibility, but the future of the organization becomes secure. Next, a company should ensure proper corrective dividend and the payment of the dividend should be made in the time. To which class the society does this statement refer so far as the social responsibility of business is concerned? It referred to towards the shareholder. The next question identify the concept which considered what is the right and what is wrong or which conquered is distinction between the right and wrong. This is concept of is the ethic. Next, if the owner of a business start thinking of the social responsibility, the whole work system will turn inefficient. Do you agree of this statement and explain? Yes, I agree on this statement because there is no proper other self interest which can get work out of the people. If owner of a business by ignoring self interest they start thinking of social responsibility, the whole work system will turn inefficient and where they have to feel that they will not get the whole profit of their business and their interest in work will diminish. Therefore, managers should work only for the profit of the owners or the shareholder, and the decision about the manager utilizations of their property will be made by them. Next, business is a part of society. Explain this statement in context of the social obligations of business. Business is a part of society. Since business organizations are the part of the society, they must have the positive attitude toward the need of the society. Business is only the subsystems of society. This subsystem must contribute to the welfare of the main system. Therefore, decision taken by the manager should take into the consideration the welfare of not only his organization but also the welfare of other subsystem so that the entire society or the complete system is benefited. When one subsystem is the think of the welfare of the other subsystem, the other also come into the help which finally result in the welfare of all.